Hello, everyone. Welcome to our MAS-DocIQ demo. DocIQ is an agentic RAG chatbot designed to help teams and organizations extract, summarize, and analyze information from internal documents securely and efficiently. It enables users to retrieve insights from multiple files at once without exposing sensitive information, saving valuable time by condensing large amounts of content into clear, actionable answers. DocIQ can operate both as a general chat assistant and as a RAG expert, allowing users to retrieve information directly from their documents rather than relying on a standard chatbot. For the purpose of this demo, we'll be using the RAG expert mode. At the moment, our documents are mock SOWs and contracts, which allows us to ask questions like, which of our current engagements can be extended, and what would that cost the client? Since this is an agent, you'll see it start by using the document search tool to retrieve relevant information from each file. As it works, it will present a list of the filtered documents along with their potential extensions and include a link to the original source so you can clearly see where each piece of information comes from. Another question we can ask is, are there any contracts that include penalties if deadlines are not met? Once again, this triggers the document search tool, which identifies the relevant contracts, provides details about the penalties, and includes a direct link to each source document. It also generates a concise summary at the end. Together, this example and the previous one demonstrate that our RAG system can not only filter documents based on specific criteria, but also uncover information that isn't always explicitly stated and incorporate it into meaningful summaries. Instead of searching across all documents, you can also ask questions about a specific one without needing to attach it. For example, when we ask, when does the GEE contract start and end? The system retrieves information from that exact document and determines that the start date is October 1st and that the contract runs for 8 months, resulting in a termination date of June 1st. Once again, the termination date isn't explicitly stated in the document, but the system infers it based on the available information. Another example of this capability is extracting the names of the people involved in a specific project and compiling them into a clear, structured list. We can also use the RAG system to accurately summarize large documents, such as this specific SOW, allowing us to quickly extract valuable insights without having to read the entire file. Finally, here's another example of how our RAG system retrieves information from a specific document when asked, are travel expenses included in the contract with GEE? That concludes our DocIQ demo. If you'd like to learn more or explore how this could work for your team, we'd be happy to chat.